Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, gagawa naman tayo ng coaster. So first, we're going to chain 4. Dun sa mga hindi pa masyadong magaling sa magic ring, you can follow this method instead. So after natin mag-chain 4, dun sa pinaka first na chain, dun tayo mag-work ng 12 double crochet. Bali yung chain 3 ay hindi nga pala counted as one double crochet. So when we finish this round, we are going to slip stitch on the first double crochet that we have made, not the chain 3. Once we get back around, we're going to work a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet made. So now we're going to start round 2. For round 2, we're going to chain 3, which as always do not count as a stitch. Into the same stitch, mag-work tayo ng 2 double crochet. So for this round, we will work 2 double crochet into each stitch around. Pagbalik natin, mag-work ulit tayo ng slip stitch dun sa first double crochet na ginawa natin to end the round. And then for round 3, we're going to chain 3. Again, this does not count as a stitch. Into the same stitch, we will work 1 double crochet. And then into every second stitch, that is where we're going to place 2 double crochet or yung increase natin. So the sequence would be 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet into every second stitch around. Once we get back around, we're going to work a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet that we have made. So for round 4, we're going to work a chain 3. Again, that doesn't count as a stitch. 1 double crochet into the same stitch, 1 double crochet into the next, and 2 double crochet or increase into the third stitch. Yun bali ang sequence natin. Mag-work tayo ng increase into every third stitch around. To end the round, we're going to work a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet that we've made. Then we're going to chain 1, slip stitch into the next stitch, and then chain 1. We will repeat this, slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 1, until we get back around. Ito yung pinaka-edging ng ating coaster. Once matapos na natin, we're going to work our final slip stitch and then chain 1 into the last stitch. Cut natin yung yarn, tapos gagawa tayo ng chain on top of the first chain na ginawa natin para magkaroon siya ng invisible na join. And then after this, i-weave in lang natin yung ends, and then we're done. For those who want to know the size of this coaster that we have just made, this is the size, and if you want it bigger, you can add a few more rounds before you add the edging or the border. Thank you for watching!